Hi again, Attorney Steve Vondran. We're back. In this episode, we are talking about Autodesk Letter. Okay, so you may be an architect, an engineer, a design firm. You may use Autocad products such as Autocad. You may use Revit. You may use Maya, Inventor. Autodesk literally has a ton of products. So you could basically be getting this letter for any of a number of products. Could be a student version of Autodesk. At any rate, we're going to analyze this letter and just kind of let you know how it works. This letter is from Donahue Fitzgerald Attorneys. This is the law firm of Donahue Fitzgerald up in the Bay Area. They are a fairly large intellectual property firm, and they handle most of the Autodesk audits. Now, the Business Software Alliance is another software trade association that may, from time to time, have audits that involve the Autodesk products. But typically when you're dealing with Autodesk, you're going to get something from Donahue Fitzgerald and one of their attorneys. They have a small team of attorneys that handle these cases, okay? So let's take a look at the letter. Dear Mr. Business Owner, and it's basically going to be addressed either to an individual or it could be your company. They may find your company information up on LinkedIn. They may see different subsidiaries that you have on LinkedIn. And so the letter will typically be addressed to who they think's at issue. It could be you, it could be your set of companies, could be one company. So this firm represents Autodesk in connection with an investigation of possible unauthorized duplication of Autodesk proprietary software products. We have been advised you may have AutoCAD or Revit or Maya or Inventor installed on your computers. A recent check of our records does not indicate there are any licenses. Or sometimes it says you have 2 licenses that we see, but we think there's more. So they'll tell you kind of the general gist of what they're looking at. It says our registration records may not reveal software products that are licensed but unregistered. So if you have a licensed copy but it was never registered, that may not show in their system. And you may have products that are registered to an individual with an organization, but not registered with the organization itself. So they're saying there could be some times when you are legit, but we're just not seeing it. In other words, please show us what's going on. Now, Autodesk typically likes to get the serial numbers so they can look you up and check it out and see what's going on. So they'll be asking you for the serial numbers. Typically what they want is a spreadsheet to be filled out that shows all your different computers, your laptops, your servers, and matching that up, showing the serial numbers and also giving the dated proofs of purchase so they can do an inventory to see what you have. If you're missing licenses, that would be considered to be short or unlicensed, and then you may be paying, infringement fees, okay, and attorney fees and a fee to basically settle your case. Now, I want you to bear in mind that these audits are considered voluntary, which means you don't have to do them. However, if you don't, obviously, and we'll get to it in a second on the second page, there's a little implied, hey, there could be a future action kind of thing going on here. So you need to be aware of that, and you don't want to end up in federal court if you don't have any licenses. It's something you want to discuss with counsel. At any rate, it says, as you know, Autodesk must investigate all credible instances of regarding possible improper duplication of its software products. That's a nice way to say software piracy. I'm joking, but it's a nice way to say what they're trying to say. At any rate, they'll usually give you a deadline to respond. If you retain our firm, usually we can get that deadline extended so you get some breathing room so that you can deal with them. And it says, please do not destroy any Autodesk software products currently installed. So don't destroy anything. The software programs installed on the computer and file server should be preserved since this may be relevant evidence in a future action. So hint, hint, wink, wink. Things don't go right, if we really believe you have unlicensed software, if it's worth going to court for, maybe they'll go to court for it. That's kind of what the letter suggests. So if you get a software audit letter from Autodesk, Donahue Fitzgerald, the Business Software Alliance, give us a call. We have helped many companies across the United States negotiate favorable settlements with Donahue Fitzgerald and with Autodesk, and we can help you too. If you need more information on the software audit process, go to our treasure trove of information at softwareaudits.net. That's softwareaudits.net. or give us a call at 877-276-5084. This is Attorney Steve. I hope this has been helpful. This is a general overview of what a software audit letter is with Autodesk. Okay, thanks a lot. Have a great day. We look forward to working with you.